Hey YouTube, how you doing? I don't know about you, but I am a total gearhead. That means I like to modify my cars and trucks. So today I'm going to make a video about exhaust. I'm going to compare two vehicles. One's a 1997 Suburban 2500 and the other one is a 2001 Suburban 2500. So the 1997 Suburban has a Magnaflow muffler on it right now already. It's not stock. We're going to listen to that and we're going to compare that to the 2001 that is stock right now, and then we're going to modify it, put another exhaust on that, and we're going to listen to it. So let's go do this and see what it's like. Okay, here's the 2001 Suburban. This one has an 8.1 liter Vortec. It's the last of the Chevy Big Block V8s. So this one's stock right now. Let's just fire it up so we can get a good comparison for before and after. Okay, here's a 1997 Suburban. This one has a 7.4 liter Vortec in it, also known as a 454. I'm going to fire this up and let's listen to it. Now, as I said before, this already has a Magnaflow muffler on it. It's pretty quiet, these Magnaflow mufflers. They're not really loud, but they flow really well. This is a 2 into 1. 2.5 inch into 1 3-inch pipe. I'll go ahead and rev it a little bit, see what it sounds like. Okay, it's a couple days later now. I've cut out the stock muffler. All I have right now is 2 stock pipes, 2.75 inches, going through the stock catalytic converters. I'm going to fire it up just to see what it sounds like. Alright, so there it is with no muffler, no nothing. It's hilariously loud. I actually think it sounds pretty good, pretty badass. When I was younger, in my teens, I probably would have just rocked it, just would have gone with it. But not now, no way. It's a daily driver. We're going to put that Magnaflow on there, and we'll see what it's like. Okay, it's a couple weeks later now, and I finally got the exhaust on the truck. I was planning on originally going 2.5 inch outs out the back, just straight out. But the kit I bought, it was a bolt-on kit. I wasn't going to take it to a welder or an exhaust shop and get it done. I wanted to kind of fab it up myself, see what I could do. And it turned out that I had to go out the original stock location. This is an LT auto ride model, so there's extra suspension bits underneath. And so between that and the spare tire, it was going to be really difficult, basically impossible for me to be able to do that. Now, if I took it to an exhaust shop and got it custom done, I'm sure it could have worked out, but it would have been a really tight fit. So I felt this was the better option. So this is a Magnaflow muffler, internal crossover, 2.5 inch outs to I believe 3.5 inch tips, and let's give it a listen, see what it sounds like. Alright, so there it is. I really like it myself. It sounds really good at idle. It's basically no louder than stock, maybe just a tiny bit. And then when you rev it up, it has a nice deep tone to it. It sounds good. It's not too loud. I really like that. No drone on the freeway. You can hear it a little bit, but it's not bad at all. Okay, so to recap, the stock exhaust is quiet. No surprise about that. But what I did find surprising is that the single 3-inch exhaust on the older Suburban, to me, seemed louder than the dual 2.5 outlet on the newer Suburban. I have no idea why. Maybe it has something to do with the cross-flow design on the newer Suburban, but I don't know. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the comparison. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please hit the like button below. I'd love to hear your comments, questions, or suggestions. And I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future. So if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Well, I'll tell you what, I think I have another project, so I'm going to get to it.